a much-anticipated all-electric small crossover SUV. The 2027 BYD Atto 2 belongs to the B-segment subcompact SUV market. It is the new entry-level SUV in BYD's worldwide lineup, just behind the well-liked Atto 3. The model will go on sale in major international regions, including as Europe and Australia, starting in late 2025, and will be extensively accessible during the 2027 model year. Its main goal is to provide excellent pricing, current technology, and high safety standards in a size that is perfect for urban settings. This car is marketed as the BYD Yuan Up in China. Release, platform, and position in the market. The Atto 2 is based on BYD's cutting-edge Platform 3.0, an electric vehicle architecture that allows for effective packing, excellent safety, and ample inside room, despite its small external dimensions. With a length of about 4.31 meters, the SUV is about 150 millimeters shorter than the Atto 3. It is positioned to directly compete with rivals like the Volvo EX30, Renault Megane E-Tech, and Hyundai Kona Electric, frequently undercutting them with more aggressive starting price. It is anticipated to be among the most reasonably priced electric SUVs on the market. Driving range and powertrain. The Atto 2 prioritizes efficiency, durability, and safety by utilizing BYD's exclusive electric motor and blade battery technology. With a front-wheel drive setup and a powertrain that generates 130 kilowatts, 174 horsepower, and 290 newton-meters of torque, both trim levels allow for 0 to 100 kilometers per hour time of roughly 7.9 seconds. Market-specific battery alternatives differ. With a 51.3 kilowatt-hour blade battery, LFP, the base model has a WLTP range of about 345 kilometers, 214 miles. While some markets still provide the lesser battery across all trims, higher trims in Europe get a 64.8 kilowatt-hour battery, extending range to about 420 kilometers, 261 miles. Features for charging and utility, depending on battery size and market conditions. The Atto 2 can handle DC fast charging up to 82 kilowatts, which enables the battery to recharge from 30 to 80% in about 28 minutes. All models include basic vehicle-to-load V2L capability, which allows the vehicle to charge external devices like tools or camping gear. Additionally included is a heat pump, which increases range and efficiency in colder climates. Technology and interior space. The Atto 2 has a surprisingly roomy and technologically advanced interior for its small size. Depending on the specification market, it has BYD's renowned rotating touchscreen infotainment system and comes in 10.1-inch or 12.8-inch sizes. An 8.8-inch digital instrument cluster shows driver information. Higher trim levels come with upscale features, including a power-adjustable driver's seat, heated and ventilated front seats, and a big panoramic glass roof with sunshade. With a 380-liter boot that increases to 1,320 liters when the back seats are folded, practicality is still excellent. Driver assistance and safety. One of the Atto 2's main advantages is its safety. It satisfies rigorous safety standards in international markets because to its extensive array of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, which includes autonomous emergency braking, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control.